My name is Christopher Thomas. My major is computer engineering, and my expected graduation date is May 2016. I'm currently working at MeadWestvaco, and my title is Global Business Services Co-op. I work in end-user computing. So end-user computing deals primarily with, the tail end of any software or any hardware, distributed throughout the company. So from a day-to-day basis, we help keep the company up and going and up to date, kind of putting out new hardware, software, and helping the users become better acclimated with how to use that stuff. A specific day for me deals with getting up very early. So for me, I'm tasked with decommissioning a lot of the servers that are over at MeadWestvaco. We're moving a lot of that information to a cloud-based system. So we have some contractors that are working with us over in Europe. They have a different time system than us. I have to get up have meetings at 7, 8 o'clock, where for them it's like at lunch at 1. So we kind of go over information in the week and everything like that. And from there, just analyze systems, kind of look at what information, what databases work with the owners of those databases and that information, and kind of come up with a different way, a different solution for moving that information. Day to day, it's a lot of just, upkeep and dealing with the users themselves, which is a great experience because you get to know a lot of people throughout the company. I like to say that dealing with it more hands-on is the best way to learn something. They allow you to do a lot of problem solving, and helping you do that, you apply that to a lot of the classes you take at VCU in the computer engineering degree. Using that when you come back to classes is essential because you have a lot of group projects, and being able to take the information and the things you learned from that job and apply it to the classroom is irreplaceable. It's really helpful. Big thing they stressed when you went into the interview was how well do you work with others. So going into that, they would ask you a lot of questions of past projects you worked on. If you've ever had one group member who wasn't working well or didn't want to do their part, how did you react to that and how did you handle that? So a lot of the things stemmed around that, and how you held yourself in answering those questions and established that was very important to them, because they wanted to see that how you would work in their environment, because they're essentially a big team. For you, when you move forward, is working with those who have come up from that field and have been in that field for so long, and what they've learned and what they've gathered. It's really, really enlightening on how far you can reach when you go into the field. There's no bounds. They really instill that to you as well. They share all the knowledge they're willing to share with you. You ask them any question, they'll answer it. Seeing what they go through day-to-day basis and the knowledge they have with what they work with is very enlightening for moving forward and graduating from VCU.